Hello everyone, today we're going to do a flip through of the Thai Psychic Development cards. These are by a woman named Elaine Klappert. This was made in 1972. This is obviously the box, okay? Now, the front has like a sticker attached to it, or it's like a cutout card. There's a little bit of staining on this box, but I have a mint sealed version that I'm going to show you here in a moment. So it opens like this, and on the inside it has a really nice velvet red. Okay, so if you go to make a purchase of this, this is what the box looks like. Okay, so if you find a sealed copy, it will come with the band around the cards and a booklet explaining what the cards are. Okay, without further ado, let's look at the booklet. Now, this is the book that comes with it, and it doesn't have a cover. Okay, and basically what the book is going to tell you is some psychic drills and kind of give you a little bit of reasoning behind the concept of the deck. Supposedly the deck was influenced by it has a lot of Asian influence, and each card has an assignment, and as we go through the deck I'll read you what she assigned each card. I'm not going to read you the description. As you can see, there's descriptions on here for each card. I just don't feel it's necessary nor means of time. If you're truly interested in this deck, you will make the purchase. Okay, so this is the trademark card, and it says the artist's name, the person that made it, what year. The back of the cards look like this. Okay. And this is card number 1, and each card has a number in the bottom right-hand corner, as you can see, and there's 45 cards total in the deck. Okay. Now, she assigns this one's ants, and it represents work or activity. This is the art card, loot, masks, ink. Those are just the 3 attributes. Okay. The blonde male, the blonde woman, bluebirds, books. Now, the idea behind this deck was that you use it to develop your psychic skills. Box. This is box. I have mixed feelings about psychic abilities. I know I've had some pretty interesting experiences. She talks about kind of linking psychism to mystical insight, which I could see. The more you meditate, the more I think you become psychic. So number 8 is the box. Oh, no, excuse me, the building. The building. Number 9, the castle. 10, crickets. Number 11, crown and dragon. Number 12, dagger. Number 13, dark female. Number 14, dark man. Number 15 is the devil. And as I said earlier, this deck takes influence on Asian mysticism, Asian influence, okay? Number 16, dog. 17, eyes. 18, fan. 19, fish. 20, flowers with cat. Number 21, gates. 22, ghost. 23, goblet. 24, heart with swan. And she gives also combinations, so if there's things that are combined with the cards as you do readings or practice psychism with them, they influence each other. And she kind of gives hints to that. So this is the incense burner. the Jack in the Box, Kettle, Lifesaver, Medicine Bottles and Scale, Money, Mountain, Older Woman and Man. Now, these are the names that she's assigned these cards, so I'm just strictly reading from the book. Open Door. Excuse me. Peacock. Number 35. This deck is a little beat up. 35. Rickshaw. Ring in the Box. Ruddy Complexioned Man. Scroll. Ship. Snake. Sunburst. Table. Tears Over Bottle. Volcano. And the last card is the Wheel. Again, this is the Thai Psychic Development cards from 1972. Thank you for watching.